Malcolm and Marcus plus you were reborn. Call me Chad X, new Black Panther. With a raised fist, I resist racist oppression, injustice. Mark my words, I won't quit. Never give up till we get justice.
A lot of young people listen to these rappers when they say stuff like this.
Fuck it, take it to trial. Take this shit to motherfucking trial. Trial, I done beat it twice straight. I'm undefeated, like, take it to trial. Get an appeal, take it to trial. Yeah, you can whack 'em.
But Plies tried to tell y'all.
You ain't got a paid lawyer, then don't go to trial.
But why?
A nigga paper ain't right, they ban him off the rip.
And if you can't afford an attorney,
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you.
and that's called a public defender. And guess what? Plies talked about that too.
A public defender don't get you shit but a long trip.
But a person with common sense will say this.
It don't even make no sense for me trying to take it to trial because they got informants, confidential informants, they got everything. Why am I going to try to convince this jury that I'm innocent and they got all this against me?
Don't play with them people. Don't think that you can outsmart the system because them people know. And for those of y'all that say,
No way I can snitch.
How often do people tell when they get into these serious situations? Is it almost all the time, or is it half the time? You know, how many people really stick to these street codes and actually stand up and sit down and do their time?
Very few. Yeah, very few. The majority of people are going to do what's in their own best interest.
all I'm trying to say is stop listening to these rappers when they telling y'all to take it to trial. Stop listening to people who's not in your situation, that's not paying for you to have an attorney, and you got to depend on a public defender. Because there's plenty of people out there that found out about playing with the court system. Them people offered them 15 months. They turned it down because they was listening to some jailhouse lawyer or some family member or listening to these rappers telling them to take it to trial and end up getting 15 years. Somebody out there got offered 30 months. Nah, they turned that 30 months down because they thought they could beat the case, took it to trial and got 30 years. Stop listening to people, especially if you know you did it. Don't play with these people because the court system is playing for keeps. Hey, this your boy C has some motivated minds. I just want y'all to think about it.
Malcolm and Marcus plus you were reborn. Call me Chad X, new Black Panther. With a raised fist, I resist racist oppression, injustice. Mark my words, I won't quit. Never give up till we get justice.